Hello viewers, welcome to Audio is 360. Today I have this JBL clip Bluetooth speaker which has crackling sound problem. Let me show you the demo first. Turning on the speaker here, pressing the Bluetooth button, JBL clip plus. So it is asking for the access to contacts and call history. So I'm just clicking the pair. It is connected. Now it's time to show you the demo. So this is the problem. My guess is the speaker ring is gone. Let's confirm by tearing this down. Now to tear this down we have to take this rubber padding. There should be 3 screws here. So let's take this out. This is the third one. That's it. Now this will come out. Let's take this auxiliary cable outside. Make sure the seal should be placed here properly, otherwise there will be air leakage. Further, to remove this we have to take out these 3 screws here. Alright, now pushing from back side to front, you can see it's coming out. That's it. These are the 3 screws from motherboard. Now to take out this driver we have to take out the front mesh here. So to take that out we have to take out this pasting here. Coming closer to show you. So this pasting we have to paste it back after making this clip straight like this, so that it will come out from this place. Let me clean this and come back. You can see the grill is coming here. That's it. We have to slowly pry from this place. Alright, the grill has come out. Now my guess has been precise. You can see the rubber ring is gone. Coming closer here further. So this section is completely torn. You can see the rubber ring is gone. It's completely oxidized. So the size of this ring is 40 mm. So we have to replace this ring. Then the speaker will start performing perfectly. So I have these 40 mm foam rings for sale here. You can see this is the perfect size for this 40 mm driver. There are so many rings here for sale. So I'm going to show you how to install this ring here, and even you can follow this and replace with your speaker if you have crackling sound problem because of this edge rubber ring. So even these rings is for sale. You can buy directly by contacting, just messaging to this number. Please do message on this above WhatsApp number to buy this. Price I will give it in the title and in the description. So this will be parceled through Speed Post, India Post. Alright, now let's take out the speaker first and let's clean this first. There are so many models which has this problem, and this 40 mm rubber ring is not at all available in any part of the India. This is very rare. This is first time available here in Audio is 360 and in gadget spares. So alright, without wasting any time, let's clean this. I'm just going to apply little bit of isopropyl and I will clean this. Now I'm going to take out this speaker wire so that I can replace it with ease. Make sure this red wire is plus and this red with black is minus. It should go back to the same terminal, otherwise speaker will not sound properly. So this is, you can see there is almost already the rubber ring is falling here because of oxidized rubber ring here. So now I am going to take this out further. Is coming, almost it is cleaned. Make sure you remove all these things. It is already oxidized and falling. You can see it is coming out easily. Alright, let me clean this and come back here. Now I have cleaned this. You can see the cone is very clean. Now we have to remove this. There is one metal piece here. Let's keep this separately. And there is rubber packing here. This also we will put later. Let me clean these residues. Now there are so many rubber rings here, 40 mm rubber rings, which is for sale. Even you can buy this from this number. Just please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I will give price in the title and in the description. You can directly message and you can pay. Then I will be shipping this ring through India Post, Speed Post. I will share the receipt. The receipt will have tracking number as well in that. Alright, let me take one of this ring. So this is 40 mm size. I'm just going to keep place here. You can see this is perfectly 40 mm like this. Now without wasting any time, let's paste this. You can paste this ring using this quick fix synthetic glue. This is also Fevibond. This is also synthetic rubber based adhesive. This is also synthetic rubber based adhesive. You can use even T7000, that is also very flexible. I am going to use this quick fix here. These things is very commonly available in the hardware shop. Even Evo fix is there, that is also very good for speakers. Now I'm just going to apply this. Let me show you first. There are two ways to place this rubber ring. One, you can just insert this part to the back side of the cone here like this. You can see now it is perfectly placed inside, and you can apply the glue at the corner and on the inside as well. But I am going to show you the easy way. I'm just going to take this out. You can just follow this step. I'm just going to apply this glue here, the corner of this cone and the corner of this metal piece, just like this, and I will apply at the outer part here as well. Very thin layer, should not use too much. You need to clean this part as well, where I am applying the glue now. That part as well you have to clean using any sharp tool, or you can use thinner to remove. Now simply we have to place this at the top of this, just like this, and slightly press like this so that it will hold. You have to keep on pressing like this. So let me press and come back here very soon. Even we have to press here as well, the inside part. So I will press it and I will come back. You can see now it is completely pasted. Speaker is in action now. Now I'm going to place this metal piece here. These tiny holes actually, this is little bit blocked, so I am going to make a small hole here using thin soldering. Before that I am going to place this ring here, metal ring. Still you can put the screws, not required to put any hole or kind of such thing, but still I am going to do that, just like this. That's it. So everything is perfect now. Time to put the speaker back. Before that I will put this rubber packing at the back side. This is very important, otherwise air will be leaking here. It's time to solder the speaker here. Red will go to red, black and red wire will go to minus terminal, full red will go to plus terminal. Alright, now it's very simple. Just position the speaker properly. That's it. Time to put the mesh back here. That's it. Now I'm going to push this metal, close this metal like this. Even we have to apply some glue here so that air leakage from these points should not be there. So I'm going to apply this quick fix itself. This is enough. This will block the air. Let this dry for some time. Alright, now it's time to put this speaker housing here. Alright, now we have to put these screws here, the long one. That's it. It's time to put this back here. Three screws here again. So done. I'm just putting this aux cable back. Now it's time to put this rubber. We can paste this, that we will do it later. Now it's time to test the speaker here. Turning on the speaker. It's turned on. It is connected. Time to play here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, so the speaker is perfectly working after replacing the ring. So to buy this 40mm rubber ring, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price will be given in the title and in the description. And it will, once the payment is done, it will be shipped through India Post, Speed Post. Receipt will be sent to your WhatsApp number, and the tracking number will be there in that receipt itself. There is no cash on delivery as of now available. So alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360, and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.